What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be an update on the Amazon FBA account. So, we're going to go over what's been selling, the stats, the whole 9 yards, right? So, last time I showed you guys the video, we had just hit $1,000, and now we just hit $2,000 for the balance here. So, that is awesome, just got to keep improving, guys, just keep stacking, over and over and over, and then keep investing 100%. So yeah, the balance is $2,100. $2,001.23. All right. So if we scroll down, we're gonna go to the stats for the last 30 days here. So the day so far we are on 0 sales. And for the last 30 days, we are on $4,240.12 and 253 units sold. So not bad at all. So let's go over what's been sold for the last 3 days here. So as you can see, still rocking those video games. I actually got another shipment of video games coming in, all brand new. Again, paying like $3 for each one. So as you can see, the Madden right here sold brand new for $20. Again, spent $3 for it. Those right here, these little filter things right here, guys, sell like water. I was picking them up for like literally few dollars, and they were selling. So I think it was like buying them for $3 and was getting like $8, $9 or something like that in profit or whatever. But yeah, I mean, absolutely amazing when it comes to those right here. Hopefully you guys watched that video where I told you guys where to get them and all that stuff. But another video game right here, spent $3 for it. So another video game again right here, spent $3 for it. This right here, I actually bought for, I think it was like $4 and it sold for 85, right? Don't sleep on the Goodwill. This right here, same thing. Bought that for $2.99, so for $29.95, and I also didn't put that as new. I actually put that as like used, very good. This right here I actually got from Walmart back in the day. Like I think that's when I first got started. Like it's literally hasn't even been 2 months, guys. Like in 2 days, that's when it will be 60 days in getting started in this. Right. So literally, like I'm again whatever. But you see this right here. Picked that up at the Goodwill. Some more video games again. Spent $3 for it. Probably walking away about a good $9, $10 profit on that. So that's like what my thing is with the video games. If I can spend $3 and make $10 in profit, that is the smooth, sweet spot right there. Because again, video games sell all damn day long, and all I gotta do is spend $3 and get $10 back in profit. Like I said, they're all fees and everything. That's my whole goal right there, is just to get $10 back in profit. I'm perfectly happy with that. But again, don't get me wrong, I'll still spend $3 and make $3, and stuff like that when it comes to this here. So as you can see right here, these Lego games right here are absolute killer as well. This resistance game, I think I spent $3, probably made like $2 or $3 or something like that. With the lower games, obviously your profit is going to be a little bit lower or whatnot. But again, it's all part of business. The Guitar Hero game right here, again, there goes that 360 stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling a little racist towards the 360. Again, it's like, who's playing? Like I said before in the other video, who's playing 360? You know what I'm saying? But people are in real life playing. Like, look at this PS2 Madness '08 PlayStation 2 basketball game. $18, guys, right? That's crazy. Resistance here, spend $3, probably made like $2 off of that. Look, the DS game right here, spent $3. Look, literally all these video games you guys see right here, like I literally spent $3 or less for. Right, like some of the games I actually paid less than $3 for. It's just like when you add everything together, you're just paying like $3 on average for each game. All right. Also got a little modem thing coming in as well. It was really hard to find like a whole like sale thing of one of these right here. And it's not a lot of them either. I think it's only like 5, but it is what it is. Just got to keep looking, guys. And then that's pretty much it. So I got the NBA Ballers here. That game, I could actually see somebody buying that. That game was super fun. That was like I forgot what that game was called. It was for GameCube back in the day. I forgot what it was called, but it was like you can like do tricks and all type of crazy stuff. And that game was amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much what's sold. And then this Linky's game right here. I mean, not game, but this little wireless, USB adapter that sold for 30, and I picked that up from the Goodwill, and I think I only paid like $5 for that. So again, Not bad. That's everything that's sold. Again, be 100% transparent. I know some people are like, man, what if someone copies what you're doing? Odds are no one's gonna be able to copy me. Like, there's gonna be very few people that are able to copy me. Like, how many people can literally go out and buy brand new games, for PS3, PS4, whatever, for about $3 a game, and not have to be like, spending millions of dollars on them, or thousands upon thousands, like 20, $30,000, on the pallets or whatever. There you go. Not many. Like, I also got a nice big shipment coming in. Well, not really big. It's only about like 50 games or so coming in next week. Get those sent in. I know some people like to have their wholesaler person send it to Amazon, and because it's way quicker or whatever. But me personally, especially when you're first doing business with your wholesaler, or you going to, even if you're doing like Source or wherever you're getting your stuff from, I always have the product shipped to my house, and then I inspect it, right? Because let's say I get one and the plastic is ripped open or something like that, can send that right back. Well, it depends on what your relationship is with yours, what your terms are, and all that stuff. You send it right back, or you just keep it or give it away, or whatever the case may be. Who knows? I might do a giveaway just full of boxes. I thought about it. Just get like order a whole wholesaler box of video games, whatnot, to really help someone start out, and then basically give it away. See what happens. But I don't know. We'll figure that out in the future. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. That's what's selling. These are the stats for the week, and the balance is again at $2,000. So that's super sweet. Again, growing slowly but steadily. It's not like how the CPA campaign. We'll be starting out, everything will be zero today, and then literally tomorrow will be thousands. Like, it's not that sweet, but we're just taking every little penny, reinvest, 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 reinvest. And again, you guys can do the exact same thing. Obviously, I'll let you guys know another update next week. Once we get paid from this here, we're going to literally take the entire, paycheck or whatever, go out, reinvest, 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 and then just send everything in. Just that simple. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.